Hello, aloha. This is Mary Hudson from Arise International, and we are sorry to say that we're going to have to postpone our Arise Maui conference this October until next year. So we will do it again next year in October 2024 because of the terrible tragedy and the loss there in Lahaina. We, of course, are supporting that using the deposit the hotel gives us back to help buy cars and support houses there, with Pastor Barbara Tengen and Pastor John and Marian DeMello, who've been such faithful partners with us there in Maui. If you'd like to give, if you'd like to donate directly to them, I mean, Pastor John and Marian was telling us about the family of 40 people that they are supporting to buy a car because they have no way of going to the donation sites. They only have a scooter. So they're getting them a car, and we're going to help in that, and we're going to help others too. But we know that you probably want to do it directly, so go to PayPal and go In His House of Restoration, Maui, and you can donate right there. And they really, really need it. It's a terrible tragedy. Tourism has gone down 50% in Maui, and the economy is really lagging. So whatever you feel in your heart to do, give, because it's going to be given back to you, pressed down, shaken together, running over, of course, right? So blessings on you today, and we lift up those people in Lahaina that lost everything, including their children, that God might somehow do a miracle. In Jesus' mighty name, amen.